Hi guys, how are you? I came on earlier than the time that I put in because I really want to get this done and I got a lot going on, but I really need to talk to you guys about this case. Erika and Tom are in deep trouble. It's not a joke. I mean, it is gone from bad to worse really quickly. So on Friday, Tom was supposed to put in writing what his arguments was into the court, and he missed that deadline. He just didn't do it. And so the judge is holding him contempt in court. He has a contempt meeting on Monday. This is bad. This is really bad. Now, he has got a very impressive lawyer. His name is Michael Monaco. He was also the attorney for Michael Cohen. Do you guys would remember he was President Trump's lawyer, and he ended up serving some time, but still has an excellent reputation. But the problem is that Tom's in too deep. I mean, I don't see him getting out of this without jail time. And also, he's broke. So, there's only so much a high power attorney can do. But, he's the best of the best. Let's see if he could pull a rabbit out of the hat. So I wanted to talk about that. I also wanted to talk about how lawyers are leaving the firm. People are quitting. This is not good for Tom. Tom is really headed downhill really quickly. I mean, I would almost say I felt sorry for him, but you have to look at the original charges, and basically embezzling is stealing. And Erika is, okay, I'm going as fast as I can. Erika also is humiliated by the entire thing that's going on. The rumor is that she's begging Bravo not to include this in her storyline. So what happens is, when it's contract time, if you don't want something talked about or discussed, you put it in your contract and they have to agree upon it. When she redid her contract, this wasn't going on. So she didn't put it in her contract. They're at liberty to talk about as much of this as they want to. And then here's the problem that she's facing. She really doesn't have any other storyline. If you talk about her divorce, that includes Tom Girardi. If you talk about him, you got to talk about what's going on. This is going to be in the media every single day. This isn't good. So basically, she doesn't want them to talk about it. More than likely, guys, they're going to talk about it, even if they brush over it, which I doubt. I think that this is a new season, and her and Lisa Rinna and that whole gang that did the Denise storyline and the LVP storyline, this storyline, they don't have that kind of weight anymore where they can pull together and all agree not to film with someone, and then Bravo will leave the story alone. Most likely this is going to get talked about. And so, of course, if you live in a world where you're expected to be fabulous and rich and all of that, this is embarrassing. And so those are the rumors, is that she's very embarrassed by it all. I don't think entering into an alleged sham divorce is going to help this couple. Erika can't wash her hands of the situation because everything went to your company. They're on a downward spiral quickly. And I'm going as fast as I can. They're on a downward spiral, and I don't see them getting out of this. I really don't. It's just really bad. But if anyone's going to get out of trouble, it would be Tom, because of this big fancy lawyer that he has. But again, the best of the best of the best can't change what happened. And that is, you've been stealing, allegedly embezzling, since 1997 or 5. Please don't quote me on the date. This is really bad. I wanted to hurry up and get this video out to you guys because I really need it in my collection. And on Monday, I will cover what is going on and what was the result of him going to court. But I guarantee you, Tom's looking at jail time, and possibly Erika too, unless Tom decides to go down and be the fall guy for all of it. And he very well can do that. That could get Erika out of the situation. I know you can say how strange, as absurd absurd as it sounds, you could always say she didn't know, even though it was legally her company. Maybe the judge might give her, a break, but I don't even seeing that happening. Both of them, all likely, are going to walk away with jail time. And to miss such an important date as this, putting your argument in writing, that's all they're asking. Well, what other reason would they miss this date? Well, you don't have a very strong argument. How can you, either you did it or you didn't. That's what this case is boiling down to. Either you took the money or someone else did. Who took it? And if you can't say someone else, all the cards are pointing at you, Tom. So it is what it is. I'm sorry, guys, that it's so short. I just really wanted to come on, let you guys know what's going on, how serious this is. They're all in a panic. Erika is in knots, I'm told. Her stomach is in knots. She's embarrassed. She's humiliated. And not only that, she is scared. You can't, I mean, look, it's looking bad. I'll put it that way. And now we'll see if this new high-priced fancy lawyer is going to pull a rabbit out of the hat. And even that, how is he getting paid? You don't have any money anymore. Are you paying him with stolen funds? It's just a messy situation at best. It's just, and I would say worse than Joe Giudice, because at least Teresa could make a living for herself and she had some money. This is not the case so far with Erika. They're broke. And so it is what it is. I will keep you guys informed. I'm so sorry that I came on so quickly. Let me take a couple comments for the comment section, and then I got from the comment section, and then I got to get out of here. Fear is a good motivator. I mean, listen, maybe I'm just saying it doesn't look good. And if I'm asked what my opinion is, these two are going to the slammer. It looks bad. That's what she gets for humiliating LVP. Oh my God, Felicia. Oh my God. I mean, Felicia has every right to feel that way. A lot of people think that Erika is facing karma. I wish Andrew was here. Oh no, but he could be found on his own Instagram account. He doesn't work here anymore. True, she could get out of it. I mean, Tom could step up to the plate and say, she didn't know anything about this. She just signed these papers because of me. And, there's no other way for me to put this. If he loved her because of his age and because this is all his doing, he would step up to the plate and take full responsibility. Samuel, really? You guys, I'm serious. I'm scared for her. Is she selling jewelry? Exactly. No sympathy. I hope the cast makes it worse for her. I mean, it's not in her contract. If Bravo doesn't cover this, people are going to be seeing this in the blogs, in the news, and going, they're phony. This is fake. They're almost forced to talk about it. One more. Tom is not going to protect that gold digger. I mean, it all lies in Tom's hands. What happens to Erika? He could step up to the plate. He could not. If he doesn't, how do you get out of that? How do you get out? Basically, embezzling is a pretty word for stealing. Either you stole it or you didn't. And so it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm going to close this down early. I do apologize. I wanted to make you guys aware of what was going on. I will cover this case step by step. So I will be back on Monday telling you what the judge said. It's not looking good for Tom, but things in his favor. You got a high price, fancy lawyer. You really, really do. Okay, you guys, let me know your comments in the comment sections. What do you think about this whole thing? Do you feel sorry for her? Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It does wonders for my video. If you haven't already subscribed and hit the notification bell, go ahead and do that. I'll see you guys in the comment section. We'll just sound off on what we think about all of this. I want to thank my mods for jumping in at the last minute like this. I do apologize, but some stories just can't wait. They got to get out there. And thank everyone for joining the chat on such quick notice. I appreciate it. Till next time, talk to you then. Bye for now, guys.